Hello guys, so mga videos today we're gonna playing Rise of Atlas. So anyways guys, sa mga videos sa channel, like and subscribe. So anyways guys, so anyway, I'm going to join you, but I can't even know. Exclamation, where are you? I can't.
Go to the telephone. Give me your card.
This one?
I don't know.
Bro got $0.
There you go.
Bro, I have 0. Bro. Come on.
Is it turned on? Honey? Honey, is it turned on? Yeah. Turn on.
Oh, guys. Wow. Okay. Okay, I have 7 billion. 7 billion, guys. How many dollars do you have? How many dollars do you have?
7 million.
No. Yes, I know. Okay. I'm gonna just say. What's that? Yo. Yes. Maybe just later, I think. Oh, wait. Well, maybe just later. What the heck happened? Just me and you. Just me and you. What happened? What happened? Hey, wait. Wait a second. What the hell? Sus? What the heck happened to our body? Huh? I'm going to give too much. Mm-hmm. I'm going to just keep on doing this. No, I don't want to wish now. I don't want to wish now. Donate. I don't know. Donated. I know go to donated. I have this one. Which is a flop, huh? What happened? What happened to her? Did she just... Ah! What happened? Hey, what happened? Maxwell? Hmm? Who blew that? What's that, a flopper? What happened? What happened, guys? What's that, tornado? Or... Okay, let me help you. Wait, reset. I know, go to... I'm stuck. Hey! I'm stuck! Help! Look at me! Look at me!
You can't get in there.
Hello? I'm in there.
Kill the baby.
Kill the babies? I don't have.
Oh,
So I'm going to just... What happened?
die.
Guys, what happened to her? What happened to her, guys? What happened? Can I have this? Can I get, Oh, wait. I have 800. Can I eat it? Oh my god. Yes. I'm rich. Yes. I'm the rich. I'm rich. Give me a rent, yo. Yes, maybe tomorrow. Been sitting there in our armpit. Been sitting there in our armpit stronger, yes. What's that? For you. Okay, so this is the floppa. What I just think is with her, guys. With her. So she's standing there like instantly. So let me know in the comments. Hey. Hey, good fish you are. No, I don't want to wish. No, yes, but I don't know. So how can I buy it? But I'm going to buy it. There. I have the sword. I can kill you. Where are you, huh? Me and Tony. Yes, just me and you. It's Robert versus me. Okay. Hey, you, huh? You try me. I'm going to kill you, huh? Yes, I'm going to. Fine. Okay. Give me the freaking fish.
If it's purple, then take it. Look at
Oh, I found the fish. But you what, guys? Elgin ones. Flopper Angel Award.
I'm there.
Anger? I don't know. I don't know what you are saying. Anger? Yes. I'm going to give a Flopper fish. Can I give her? I don't know.
I'm here.
Where?
In this
In this. Wow. What happened?
It's a baby.
I'm going to kill him. Let's kill him, guys. Let me kill him. Why? Wow. There's a baby.
No, come here. To me. Come here to me, Kuya.
I can't see. What? Oh, baby. Okay, that's good.
I killed it.
Thank you.
I killed the baby.
I think I like this. For what? Rent. So not this. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no. Bye.
Back room's door's
Monster.
open. Kuya, the back room's door is open.
Yes, I know.
Don't open it.
Yes. Can I eat this chat? I need to go next. 9 billion. I have 9 billion. I have billion now. Yeah, I'm a billionaire.
Hey, yo, chill.
Yo, I am billionaire. Brown? Hello. I accidentally burped at you. I accidentally burped at you, guys. My head hurts so bad. I'm not gonna see you. Just you. Just me and you. Trying to kiss you. Just me and you. Oh. How? Why do I have slow? Where? Get mushroom. Yes, mushroom. Mushroom. Can I eat it myself?
No.
Can I eat?
Here, Kuya, there's some mushroom here.
Pick it up. Hey, wait for me. Wait.
Kuya, here. Here. Buy the
Sorry. I'm going to make it louder. Okay.
speed potion, Kuya. Buy speed potion here.
Speed post. This.
Buy speed potion.
Wait. Yeah.
Yes. Buy another one, Kuya.
Fine.
Drink it. Now you're a little bit faster. And drink the other one.
Okay.
To make it more faster. No, you already have another one. It's in
Fine.
your pocket.
In my pocket? Where? I'm blind.
Inventory.
Okay.
It's not faster.
Wait. Why am I a bit faster? What happened to myself?
Oh no, I'm so scared.
So scary.
Wait, let me get my room.
What the heck happened?
How fast?
I'm going to just kill that thing. Oh wait, huh? Oh wait for me, huh? Yes, I'm going to kill it. Oh. Alright. Why are there so many beacon? The army. Alright. I'm going to kill it. Oh my god, there's so many here. There's so many bacon there. There's a player. There's so many bacon there. Yay! We made it!
Another baby.
Another baby. Baby? What is baby? What is my baby thing? Okay. Wow. I have 11 billion! Let's go, baby! I'm sticking your head, Just me and you. 25 billion. Okay. Yes. Hello, A fish? Okay. Ah! Oh no, I'm going to get in Can I eat a shark? Or not?
There's no shark.
Can I eat a shark?
It's a fish.
Can I eat a shark?
No, you guys remember that shark? Where you go in and then one of the players will be a shark.
Come on, let's wait.
Let's fish, Kuya. If you see a purple thingy,
Yes.
if you see a purple
Oh yeah, there's a sea of purple. I found a fish! Wow!
feed it to Floppa. Yeah.
Oh,
Feed it to Floppa, you will have
fine. Yes.
you will get more money.
Where's Floppa? Where's Floppa?
House.
There. Wow!
How do you get
Yes! Oh my god, that's awesome. Open.
fish a lot?
If we need a key to leave the house, how
See, I got
how did we let Kevin Micro come in?
I think
I don't know.
be a meteorite.
I don't know. Microsoft in. I don't know. It's like Microsoft. Come on in.
Ready.
Stop saying that. Again. Ready. I wanna kill it. Kill it, bruh. Again.
Kuya, don't go outside.
Fine. Who's talking? Again. I'm going to. Wait, I have this block. What is this block gonna say? Hello. Give it to the plant. Where?
Here, Kuya. The plant's here.
Inside? Where? This one. Okay. Oh, I have a plan, guys. I have a plan. Yes. I'm going to kill the baby. I killed the baby, but I can't even kill the baby.
Relax.
I can just kill the baby, I think. Bro, is it done? Okay. Let me kill the dog because he's annoying. What's that? Airplane or a helicopter? Or just a spaceship? Can I?
Probably saw our machine.
Huh? What happened? Oh my god, I'm at the thing. I'm at the ship. Hey, Ari, look.
Kuya, get more mushrooms so you can be faster.
Yes, I'll get it.
Here.
Fine. It's gonna be a flower.
Kuya, here.
I can't see. Oh, there.
No, come here.
Pick it up. I see you, my baby. I can't see you. I can't even just see. I can just make faster. You're Bro, you scam me. Not, I'm going to kill that cat. You scam me, witch. How dare you, witch? You scam me like that. Oh my god. I don't know how to get faster, I think. I don't know how to get faster.
Bro.
I'm going to kill that thing. I'm going to kill him. Wait. Oh wait, there's a plant? There's a farm of the plant? Okay.
The fertilizer.
Yes. I can't even see. Okay, I'm going to get more mushroom. I found the mushroom! I'm going to get more faster. What happened to you? Hey, where's mine? Wait, again, wait. What's that?
I got the money.
Wait. Where?
You can get
Why? How did you do that? I can't even do it. Wait, how many money? How many money do I have? Wait. Adi, wait. Where is it? I can't even do it. How can I get money? How many? 14 or 13? How can I get it, the money? Can I get... How can I get the money? I can't even get money. So I'm going to eat that.
Hey, this dog.
I don't know, but...
Come here, Adrian.
Wait. I need to...
Speed.
I need the speed.
I want to buy
Wait, where the heck happened? Wait, I should just run faster, I think. Where are you?
Adrian.
Where?
Here.
Okay. Let me kill it.
You cannot do it.
Why?
Because you already finished the clip.
Let's kill it. Oh no, it's still my turn.
I found this Kuya.
Yes, give me money. Hey, that's mine, Adi. I will leave. Adi, wait. Yeah.
You just want to go to there and that.
Oh, what are you doing? Hey, give me some money. Give me some money. Hey, how did you know when I'm in money? Can I get it in real life? Hey.
Get eaten.
What are potion?
I'll join it. Not a new one.
Come on, give me speed. They gave me speed. Oh my god, they gave me extra speed, I guess. They gave me extra speed. Okay. Okay. How much strength do you have? Wait, what is that? Oh. No! Bro! Why? Not fair, not fair. Oops. Not fair. Can I go to the alien? Can I go to the alien? Can I kill the alien? Let me kill myself. Oh yes, I don't know. Wait, why did I just kick? Why did I have no internet? Can I end or not, I guess? What happened? Guys, what happened? I need to get... Start? Okay. So, goodbye guys.